Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Korean Hanbok photo with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the photo looks like and I'm going to show you the prompt to create this photo with AI. First of all, you can open up Google Gemini, gemini.google.com, and then you're going to use Nano banana feature to create this photo. Okay, you can go to the tools and then activate the Nano banana feature, and then you're going to upload your photo guys. And I'm going to use this photo. Okay, click on open. And then you're going to use this prompt, and you can modify the prompt according to your needs. Okay, and then once you're done, you can click on submit and just wait for a moment. Your photo will turn into Korean Hanbok photo. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, and this is the result, and yeah, it's so beautiful. But this is the prompt for women. For a man, you can modify it guys. And okay, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.